Hi there, and welcome to my review of the digital marketing course at UofT School of Continuing Studies, in which I developed my own website and as part of this program. As you can see, the cover page was developed on how I can support organizations in reshaping their health and safety management systems. On the About page, I was able to put together a brief description of my experience and expertise, and again using professionally done photos to promote a professional image of my website and my business. By developing my own website, I was able to integrate videos that were done by a health and safety magazine. So now they're embedded into that. So I have the content there that I can share with others. I was able to also identify my services, and in each area of the consulting, the action investigations, and the sustainability and human capital, have more information in the read more sections. The one nice added feature that I've included is blogging, and I've created a safety and sustainability blog. And so moving forward, that will really help in my being able to be seen as a thought leader in safety and sustainability. In summary, the learnings for me have been that, again, identifying SMART goals is really prudent to do, and I do it as part of my business and objectives. But with respect to the website and my digital marketing, it's really going to help. The target audience, again, is the safety profession, and moving forward as a thought leader. I've done a lot of networking, but this will help. And the analysis with the tools, I'll be able to start to focus in on what I'm doing. What I would do different is I would not hide behind getting others to do stuff for me and start to do it on my own, and getting into search engine optimization and all the different types of social media platforms. I really like the peso distribution tactics because, again, I have a lot of items that I have provided to others, and I think this way I can attribute it to, have and house it on my website and move from there. So all really very good experience from there.